So
First,
ma'am, then first you will do 4 4s are 60 and then 9 4s are 36.
First, you have to see where both the things are given. So from there, you have to start. For example, here, both the things are given, both the numerators are given here. So I will do 3. How many times is 6? How many times is 6? Tell me, 3 2s are 6, right?
Yes.
Ashraga. So
Yes.
5 also you have to multiply by 2. So 5 2s is how much?
5 2s are 10.
10. So 10 will be the answer. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, can I do, please?
Aisha Aga will do because she has not understood.
Can I do?
Aisha Aga, tell me what will come. 7 and 21 is there. So you have to start from here. Tell me.
It will be 7 3s are 21.
Correct. So 5. Same I have to write. Same you have to multiply.
Then 5 3s are
15.
15.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Tell me, Mohammed.
4 4 sevens are 28.
Yes.
1 7 is 7. 7 upon 28.
7 upon 28. Okay. Abdullah, last one.
Ma'am, it is 8 5s are 40, 3 5s are 15.
Yes. So is it clear? Okay, now I'm giving you one more question over here.
Ma'am, whenever you give us assignment of equivalent fraction, then you will give don't give like this because I don't understand.
No,
Can you give
it won't be like
blank?
this. It would be like blank only. Okay, this is just for your work, make your work easy. Okay.
Can I do?
Shreya, what will come over here? Blank. In the blank, what will come?
Ma'am,
36,
36,
36,
32,
32, 32,
32.
32. Be clear with your tables, okay? Okay.
Can
If I
I
give you,
answer, please?
wait, one moment. 45
Oh, I can see that
upon
I forgot you.
6 equal to, just a moment. Giving again. Okay. (45) upon, why it is going so slow? This is 5, equal to 1. What will come in the blank over here? This is 45 upon 5.
1 5
9.
5.
9. 9.
9 5s are 45.
7.
Yes.
8. 9.
This was 5, so it will come as 9. Because 1 5s are, so 5 9s are you will do. Okay. So this will be the answer. Okay, one more I am giving. 16 upon,
Ma'am, can I do, please?
okay. Who will answer this?
9.
4 4s are 16.
4 upon 9. 4 upon
4 4s
9.
are 16
4
and
upon 9.
4 upon 9.
Okay, I'll ask everyone.
9.
Aisha, what will come over here?
Ma'am, 9.
8 4s are 36. Nee.
Wait. Yahya, twice.
9.
Aisha Kazi.
9 4s are 36.
So 9 will come. What will come over here? 9.
9.
Okay. Because 4 4s are 16. So 9 4s are 36. So 9 will come over here. Is it clear, everyone? Do you want more question or should I continue now?
Continue.
Ma'am, give me one sum, na, ma'am, please.
Okay, one more sum I'm giving. 25 upon what will come in the numerator, Juveria?
Ma'am. 3 5s are 15
Yes.
and 5 20 5 25s are
No, not 25. You have to, what you will multiply with 5 to get 25.
5s are 5 5s are 25.
So 5 will come in the numerator. Is it clear? Still some doubts are there.
Not give me a chance.
Wait, one more question, Juveria. Just solve this question.
Ma'am, I also didn't understand the opposite fraction.
Opposite wala I am giving you. Okay, next question. Aisha, Aisha Aga and Juveria, both. You just find out the answer and then tell me what is the answer. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now find out the answer. Aisha, Aga and Juveria, you have to give me the answer. See, whenever this type of question comes, you have to divide. Okay. So when you divide 25 by 5, you will get what you have to multiply. Okay. So 5, how many times is 25?
5.
So what will come over here? You have to divide 75 by 5 and you will get the answer. Anybody has got?
Ma'am, 15.
Yes, ma'am. 15.
Aisha, Aga, Juveria, what will be the answer? 15 5s
15.
Ma'am, 15.
15.
So 15 is the answer. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I still didn't understand.
What you have not understood, you need to divide and find out. See, 5 into 5.
Can you give me one sum?
One more sum? Okay, I'm giving
Ma'am,
one.
you did not give me a sum.
Okay. Next sum, Aisha Aga, you will answer, and Ibrahim, you will tell me whether she has answered correct or not. Okay. So I'm giving you 12. Aisha, now find out. Just try yourself. 6, how many times is 12? And then same way you have to find out here. 6, how many times is 12?
6 2s are 12.
So, what
9.
will, correct.
2s are 12.
Is it correct, Ibrahim? 9?
Yes, ma'am.
9 2s are 12. So that is the correct answer. Okay. So now moving on. See,
Ma'am, 6 2s are 12. So how 9 came, ma'am?
because
2
was there.
9 2s are
2
18.
9 2 are 18.
I did not understand, ma'am. Can you give me one sum? One
Why?
more. I will answer
Like,
this
if you
one.
want to do only equivalent fraction,
Ma'am, you didn't give me also answer.
See, if you want, all of you want to do equivalent fraction, I'll give you one more worksheet. Do you want that?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
want that in assignment?
Understand this one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Ma'am,
want next
let
one?
me answer this one now.
What will be the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 2s are 6.
Then,
18 divided by 2 is equals to 9.
so 9 is the answer. Okay?
We have to divide, ma'am.
When you are doing ulta, you have to divide. So now check 9 into 2 and 3 into 2. Is it same now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this proves that your answer is correct. When you are finding out ulta, you will have to divide. Okay. When you are going this way, sometimes you have to multiply. Like in these questions, you had to multiply. But when you have to go this way, you have to divide. Is it clear? Suppose if I give you 15 upon 7. Not 7, I should write. 5. Okay, 3 I have given.
Ma'am, in the equivalent fraction work.
Now tell me, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1 3s are 3.
Ah,
And 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5.
so that will be the answer. Just check. 5 into 3, 15. 1 into 3, 3. So this is correct equivalent fraction.
Ma'am, we
you
can
can,
do. Ma'am, we can do in any way, na? Like
Do it anyway.
one.
Okay. So many ways I have told you. You can do it in any.
ma'am, can you go to now?
Ma'am, please give us a homework.
I'll send you the homework in worksheet. If you want, everyone just let me.
I want.
Let me see how many of
I
you.
also want.
How many of you want
also want.
equivalent fraction worksheet? How many of you? Raise your hand. Only one person and 2 person. So you don't want it, na? Then why do you want to do it in class? Why do you want to waste time in class? Huh? So all of you have understood?
To understand.
So that is why I'm sending it at home, na? Everything you
I
cannot.
understood now.
Okay, fine. We will do one more time worksheet.
Huh? Do you
Give
want
one
more? Okay, I'll give you 10 questions equivalent fraction worksheet.
But don't give 60, ma'am, please.
60, whenever.
Last time, ma'am
you
gave 18.
18 was there. And it takes so less time. 5 minutes where you can complete. So small.
Yes, ma'am. I did in 5
Ma'am,
minutes only.
give 10. Give 10.
I'm sending 10 equivalent fraction questions. Okay. So practice, huh? Because it is very important and you need to check it also it is correct or not. Okay. So now moving on to the next topic. Before that, I'll teach you on, I'll try to teach on whiteboard today. Let us see if pen works or not. Okay, we did like fraction and unlike fraction. You remember? Like fraction and unlike fraction.
Ma'am, we studied the like fraction and unlike
Then now ask me.
Yeah, like fraction and unlike fraction. We have studied that. Okay, Anas, give me examples of like fraction. Give me one example of like fraction.
Like fraction.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Or what is like
4
fraction?
upon 7.
4 upon 7 and
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
okay, yeah, tell me what is like fraction.
Ma'am, like fraction is the denominator should be same.
Okay, so make one like fraction with 4 by 7.
4 by 7,
2 by 7.
5 by 7,
Yeah,
6 by 7, and 7 by 7.
yeah. So these are like
1.
fractions. Unlike fraction means when the denominator is different. So it can
3 by 7, 2 by 8, 9 by 2.
1 by 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So all these are unlike fraction because the denominators are different. So different denominators, it is called as unlike fraction. And
the numerator will be same.
no, numerator is also different. Numerator, we are not focusing on numerator.
Denominator is same, na, ma'am.
Numerator can be different also. Yeah, who is studying with you? Who is attending your class with you?
Oh, ma'am, my mamu was coming.
Okay. So you can see the 7777. So when the denominators are same, it is called as, and we are not focusing on numerator. Numerator can be anything. It can be same also. It can be different also. Okay. So same denominator means like fraction. Okay. Now I have already told you to find out or compare the like fraction. So when we add like fraction, when we are adding like fraction, it is easier to add like fraction. Okay. How do we add like fraction? First, we'll check the denominator. Like 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. Answer
7 by 7, 1.
Answer will be 5 plus 2 by 7. Denominator will be same, so it comes as it is. Just add the numerator.
One.
Your answer is 7 by 7. And what is the lowest form? Equal
1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay, because 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Same way, if I add 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Same denominator. So in like fraction, you just have to add the numerator. What will be the answer, Umar? If I add 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2, what will be the answer?
And 5 plus 7 is equals to 6, 17.
What is 5 plus 7, Umar?
13. 13 by 2.
7 plus 5 is how much?
12.
12.
12.
12.
Silly mistakes. 7 plus 5 is 12. upon 2. What is the lowest form? Ibrahim, what is the lowest form of this?
6 upon 1. 6
Let
upon
me
1.
answer now, ma'am. Why are they prompting
Mohammed,
the
you are
answer?
Ibrahim? Huh? How many names do you have? Whenever I ask somebody question, you answer. Okay, Ibrahim, how will you make the lowest form?
Ma'am, we will 6 2s are 12 and 1 2s are 2.
No, that way it's not done. Lowest form may you have to divide with the same number.
Acha. 12.
2 ones are 2 you will do, and 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, some more question I'm giving you. Wait.
I did not understand it.
Okay. Once again, we are doing addition of like fraction. Now 7 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Rashda, what will be the answer? 7 by 5 plus 6 by 5. What will be the answer, Rashda?
13 by 5.
Yeah, Rashda?
I don't.
You don't know? See, addition of like fraction may, when the denominators are same, denominator come as it is, and you have to add the numerator. So what is 7 plus 6, Rashda? What is 7 plus 6?
13.
So 13. So answer is 13 by 5. Is it clear to you now, Rashda? Rashda, is it clear to you? Yes, or no? Okay, yeah, because I cannot see you. Okay, tell me. Next one. Humaira, you give me the answer. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. First of all, just check. Is it a like fraction? Same denominator. Is it a like fraction, Humaira?
Yes.
Okay, so how will you add it? Denominator is same, so same denominator comes here. Now what is the numerator? Humaira, what is the numerator?
5.
5 plus 3, na? Add 5 plus 3. What is the numerator? 5 plus 3? Omar, what is the answer of 5 plus 3? Yes, 8 by 4. Okay, Omar, can you do the lowest form?
Four by two.
Yes, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then one more times it will go. Just check.
By two.
2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So answer is 2. Okay. So lowest form, always try to bring it in lowest form. Okay. Aisha Aga. 7 by 6 plus 5 by 6. What is the answer, Aisha Aga?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 12 into 6.
Into nahi, by you have to say.
Yeah, sorry, by. 12 by
12
6.
by 6. Aisha
Ma'am,
Aga.
can we do unlike fraction also? Can we add unlike fraction also?
No, wait, because still like fraction is not clear to everyone. So maybe I'll start in the next class.
Ma'am, can you give me a chance for the lowest form, ma'am?
Aisha Kazi, what is the lowest form over here? 12 by 6.
6 2s are 12.
Okay. And
3 2s are 6.
no, same number you have to divide. 6
No,
2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12.
6.
So answer is 2. Okay. Rashka, one more question. 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. What is the answer, Rashka?
3 by 7.
3 by 7. Yes. No lowest form, so it will be like this only. Okay, one more question.
Ma'am, do unlike fraction.
Ma'am,
Today we are not going to
me
start
also.
unlike fraction. Time will be over. So I'm not doing unlike fraction. For unlike fraction, again they will get confused. So I'll only do like fraction.
And can I do this sum, ma'am?
Hey, Hamdan,
after
17 by 2.
joining us.
Hamdan, I have not seen you today. 17 by 2. Please switch on your camera. Hamdan, give me the answer for this.
Ma'am, I always get confused in equivalent fraction and a fraction in lowest form.
Lowest
Yes.
form, you have to divide. And in equivalent fraction, you can divide and multiply both. Okay? Always remember,
Yes.
this is the difference. Okay, Hamdan, are you there or not?
Ma'am, I am.
Yeah, give me the answer for this.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
What were you doing when I was explaining it? Where has the question gone?
Ma'am, can I say?
Just a moment. Where is my screen? Wait.
Ma'am, can I please say?
Who will explain, Hamdan? Who will explain it?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, so many messages are coming in the chat, ma'am.
That's why
Unstoppable.
I was just checking chat only. Chat.
Ma'am,
is
can
so
I
many.
say?
Okay,
Ma'am, 20 upon
Hamdan,
2.
can you? Where is Hamdan? Hamdan, can you switch on your camera first of all? Let me see what you are doing. Where is Hamdan? I cannot find you, Hamdan. Is he there? Can you see Hamdan?
Now,
Can anybody see Hamdan here?
yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Where is it? Yeah. Hamdan, what was I teaching just now? You tell me that.
Ma'am, you were adding equivalent fraction.
No. Equivalent fraction we have completed. What were
Ma'am?
you doing in the class, Hamdan? You are not paying attention. Then how will you understand? And then you will be wasting whole class time like this. What was I doing? Who will explain it? Omar?
Ma'am, can I say?
Omar, can
I say, please?
Can you explain?
We were adding like fractions.
Yes, we were adding like fraction. Now, can you tell me, Hamdan, what are like fractions? We'll just have a revision now. What are like
Ma'am,
fractions?
whose denominators are same?
Whose denominators are same? Do you know how do we add like fraction? When the denominators are same, you just have to add the numerator and keep the denominator same. So just a moment, I'll just once again share the screen and we'll explain. Now pay attention over here, Hamdan. When I ask question, then you don't come to life that, okay, now I don't understand. You have to ask earlier only that you have not understood. Okay, now tell me, what is the denominator over here, Hamdan? What is the denominator in these two? 2. So it is a like fraction. So just add the numerator. What is 17 plus 3?
20.
20. Now can you make it in the lowest form?
10.
2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So answer is 10. Now just add one more question. 5 by 7 plus 6 by 7. What is the answer, Hamdan?
11 by 7. 11 by 7.
Yes. Now is it
Ma'am,
clear?
you
to you, Hamdan?
disable the chat because all of them are sending that 11 by 7.
Mohammadi,
Plus 17 message.
Don't pay attention over.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can give answer.
11 by 6.
11 by 7, na? Why 11 by 6? Huh? Okay. Why 11 by 6? Denominator is 7 only. Denominator does not change. Okay, Humaira, now you give me the answer. 12 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What is the answer?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Humaira Qasim, what is the answer? 14 by 5. No whispering. Yeah, Humaira.
5 will come.
5 will come in the denominator. What will come in the numerator?
40.
14. Yes. Can you do this in lowest form? Anyone can do this in lowest form? Yeah, yeah.
No.
Ma'am,
7
No.
7 upon 1.
No lowest form.
ma'am, it will be 10 5s.
No common divisor is there. You cannot make it in lowest form. You should
Ma'am,
have
but 14 ka half it is 7.
But
5 ka half it is 2.5.
So there is no lowest.
7 upon 2.5.
No, that way is not lowest form. Lowest form you should have a whole number. Okay, one more time. I'm just practicing lowest form. Just tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
can
I
I
answer this one?
Ma'am, can you give me a chance, please? I did not understand
Form
lowest
12.
form.
Ma'am, can I answer this one, please?
I don't understand lowest form. Can I do this
See,
one?
you cannot forget everything what we are doing in the previous classes. You have to.
Ma'am, I want to do this.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
16 by 12. Who will explain?
Ma'am, me. Ma'am, I will do.
Who is I?
Ma'am, can I try, please?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Can I-
Muhammad Saqib. Explain. How will you find out the lowest form over there?
You see first which table, table 12 and 16 is visible. So in 4 also it is visible. So 4 fours are 16 and
Correct.
4 threes are 12.
4 3s
So
are.
4 upon 3. It will not be more lowest form. So only
See,
this will be.
all of you, those who have forgotten, see, whenever the question comes 16 by 12, suppose this is the question. First, you will find out by which number both the number is divisible. So suppose you get to know that it is divisible by 2.
2.
So you will divide by 2 first. 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. Now again you
Then
see
2.
divisible by 2. So you will do 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. But 4 and 3.
Divide
both
only
do
the
not have.
even numbers.
Yes, you can try with even numbers first. Both are even, so you can start dividing by 2. But after, when you are getting 4 by 3, you cannot have a common divisor. So the answer is 4 by 3. Okay. Okay, next question. Rashda, you give me the answer. 14 and 35. Can you find a common divisor in here?
7.
Yes. So what will be the lowest form if you divide by 7?
2 by
2 by 5. 7
Yeah,
5
2 by
is
5.
35. So 2 by 5 is the
Ma'am, but always the question doesn't comes matlab same na sir.
So then there won't be any lowest form. Okay. Well, that will be in the lowest form. You don't have to do anything. See, when we were adding, in some questions we were getting the lowest form question, other we are not getting. For example, 24 by 6. Humaira, how will you find the lowest form? 24 by 6. By which number you will divide both? Juveria, you tell.
Can I say,
Ma'am,
give me
3.
chance.
Okay.
Ma'am, 3.
3, how many times? Tell me.
15, 7, no, 8.
8. And here?
3 are.
3 2s are.
3 2 are 6.
Okay, now 8 and 2. Again, do you have something?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, so 2, how many times?
4 are.
And here?
2 2 are.
2 1s are 2.
Yes.
So answer is 4 by 1. So answer is 4. Okay, is it clear? So I'm again doing.
Ma'am, give me a chance now, ma'am, please.
Okay, next Ibrahim, you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say next?
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 25 will be
Think
25
about it.
5.
It is not divisible by anything.
This is already in lowest form. You
It
cannot
is not divisible by anything.
So lowest form is 25 by 12 only. You don't have a common divisor. Okay. Now if I write.
Ma'am, give me like that one Nala you gave to Jewel.
Okay. Do this 27 by 12.
3.
3, you have to tell me how many times. You have to cancel and tell me.
3 रुको ma'am 3 3 are 9 3 4 are 12 3 5 are 15 3 6 are 18 3 7 are 21 3 8 are 24 3 9 are 27 and 3 4 are 12 so
Answer is 9 by 4. Okay. Okay, then your time is over now. So just revise this so that you recall what we have done. Don't confuse after doing equivalent fraction. Don't confuse with lowest form. These are two different things. They are related but are different thing. In equivalent fraction, you have to multiply and divide. You can do both. But in lowest form, you have to divide and go into the lowest form. Okay, fine. So just revise. I'll send you some questions on lowest form and some questions on equivalent fraction. 5 5. Okay. That's all for the worksheet. Okay then, see you in the next class. Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye,
10,
ma'am.
10 for
Bye.
this and 10 for that.